In hindsight, I really didn't need to take the screws out all the way. I could have just loosened them up enough to spray lube inside. But this way you guys get to see a little bit better what was going on with the latch. The latch was hanging up. Just needed a little lubrication. Not too big a deal. The lubrication I like, my favorite one is the HVAC 444, sometimes called R444. You can find it online, and there's a few hardware stores that carry it, but it might be easier to find online. Not always the easiest stuff to find, but it works really good for locks and just about all your lubrication needs. Works really good. Okay, not all, but most. Also works good for breaking down calcium and mineral deposits for stuff like shower doors, and also has the added benefit of being a bit of a protectant, moisture repellent. So some pretty cool stuff. Really like it.